Hey guys, so we are at Camp Orchardville taking a walk down the newly formed nature trail. As you can see the flowing stream. It was not there a couple days ago. It's beautiful. So the path goes a couple different directions at this point. So you can go up that way and take a little hike up on the hill, or you can follow around this way. And it's going to lead through to the new dorm. There's our stream again. You can hear in the distance it's still working away on the new dorm, which will be ready by camp. Here's a lovely creek. Should be a really fun creek trekking trip one day. As you can see, the trail goes on for a little bit. It's a little muddy back here today, so we just had about 6 inches of rain. We're going to fill in some of the mud spots with some mulch the next couple of days. It'll be nice and ready for campers' feet. And then you just head up that trail. Takes you to the new dorm. And here's the beautiful creek. There is trail number 1.